In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily navigate the GrabFood platform, a versatile and handy tool for not only ordering delicious meals, but also managing payments, checking your recent activities, and keeping up with your messages. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the GrabFood homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all the great features Grab has to offer. Picture it as your gateway to a world of convenience where you can explore an array of meal options, pay for services, or even handle bill payments, all from one place. It's quite an empowering tool if you think about the different tasks you can accomplish with just a few clicks. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice different sections outlined for your convenience. Our next stop is to click on Home. It's your main hub in Grab's ecosystem, your portal to everything you might need. That includes ordering food, buying mobile load, or handling bill payments. The beauty of it is that you get to decide how you want to use it. Whether you're looking to satisfy your hunger or take care of errands, your choice, your rules. Next, let's turn our attention to payment methods by clicking on Payment. This section allows you to seamlessly edit and manage how you pay for goods and services through the platform. It's a useful feature for those who like to keep their finances organised and streamlined. Sometimes we feel a little bit overwhelmed with the various payment sources we manage, and Grab's payment section is designed to make things a bit simpler for you. After sorting out your payments, it's time to check out activity. By clicking on this section, you'll be able to see a detailed overview of your recent interactions and transactions. It's like a tidy little dashboard of your history with Grab, keeping you informed and on top of everything you've done. It's always good practice to review your activities, make sure everything looks right, and even analyse your spending habits. Consider it as your personal Grab diary. Finally, navigate to Messages. Here, you will stay updated with all the communications related to your orders and activities. It's a simple yet effective way to keep everything organised and ensure you're promptly informed about any updates or changes. Whether a merchant sends you a quick update or you need to confirm a delivery, the messaging feature is invaluable for clear and instant communication. There you have it, the GrabFood platform. A single app that empowers you and simplifies your life. I hope this guide helps you get the most out of your Grab experience. Until next time, happy exploring and have a wonderful day using Grab.